चले लंबे समय तक। विम अल्ट्रा प्रो कम्प्लीटली ऐसा दाग लगा ही ना हो जैसा।
चॉकलेट? नहीं यार, अभी रूट कैनाल ट्रीटमेंट हुआ है, फिर मम्मी की डिशुम डिशुम शुरू हो जाएगी, दांत सड़ जाएंगे। फिर रूट कैनाल ट्रीटमेंट करवाना पड़ेगा। कैविटी से इतना डर?
पेप्सोडेंट 12 घंटे वाला यूवी चेक। अब करो कैविटी की चिंता को बाय बाय।
अब भी रूट कैनाल ट्रीटमेंट करवाए फिर चॉकलेट।
मम्मा, कैविटी से डिशुम डिशुम पेप्सोडेंट करता है ना?
Hello friends, welcome to Abacus with Kashish. Today's session is about small friends in Abacus. In the last video, we had done counting on Abacus. That was very simple and easy, and I hope you guys would have learned it well. In that video, I also showed you how to do simple addition and subtraction on Abacus. But in case you have forgotten how to do it, we'll revise it and then we'll go on to the concept of small friends. So as we've already learned the counting, it's like 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7 and so on. There are so many rods and you can make so many more numbers with it. Now, how to do simple addition and subtraction that doesn't involve any formula or any difficult or a thing that you have to learn. It is very simple. It is very simple. Very. Now, what we'll do here is we'll take a question 3 plus 1 minus 4. So, I hope you have already done that. 3 plus 1 minus 4 is a very easy question, but how do we do it in Abacus? Let's learn that. So, as we've already done how to make 3, so 3, then we have to add 1 in it. So, what we'll do, we'll use this bead here to add 1. We have add 1 here. Then we have to subtract 4 from it. So we'll just subtract 4 from it. So our answer is 0 here. If you take another question, 6 minus 5 plus 2. So 6, then minus 5. So minus 5, then plus 2. Plus 2. So our answer is 3. This is how you do simple addition. Let's take a example of 2-digit number. 64 minus 30. Now, here I have said minus 30. So in this case, I'll have to use small friends, but since we don't have to use small friends, we'll do a simpler equation. So let's do 64 minus 14. So 64, we have already said that on our abacus. Now minus 14. Minus 14. So minus 14. Our answer is 50. So it is very simple to do addition and subtraction on abacus when it is with no formulas. With formulas also it is very easy, but the thing is you'll have to learn the formulas so that you do your calculations very clearly. So now we're moving on to small friends. Before moving on to small friends, I want to share with you guys that you have to learn the formulas. Without learning the formulas, you cannot do it, because if you don't learn the formulas, then how are you going to perform on abacus? So simple, we'll start with the number 1 and we'll end on the number 4, and I'll tell you the reason as well. So whenever we talk about small friends in abacus, we talk about small numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are of small numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is why we'll only do till 4, because in small friends it only includes 4 numbers, that is 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now in small friends we also include 5, but it is not included as a formula in there. It is included as a speciality that is called as a base number. Now what is a base number and how will we form formulas? We'll have to see that. So currently 5 is a base number. So we are talking about the formulas from 1 to 4. So obviously we'll only add 1 in here. But if we talk about the base number 5, what is that? So base number is basically how we form our formulas, because you have to subtract something from it, you have to add something in it. So that is the main point here, that base number is something that we form formulas with. So if I want to say that I want to add 1 in 4, I guess, let's say 4. So in this I don't have any beads present over here. So what I'll have to do, I'll have to add 1 with the help of small friends. Now, if we see the formula small friends 1 plus 1, I forgot to tell you guys that there is a differentiation between minus 1 and plus 1, so learn that accordingly. Plus 1 is what we are going to do here right now. So I'll tell you a very easy, quick method of learning all the formulas in Abacus. So see what you're gonna have to do. The formula of plus 1 is minus 4 plus 5, so our answer is 5. But how did I do that? What do we do in big friends also, in small friends also? We subtract the partner and add the base number. What do? We subtract the partner and we add the base number.
कहता है उषा सदन और कहता है आशा भवन, महक चहक पद्मा निलयम और कहता है शांति निकेतन, कहता है गांगुली बाड़ी, कहता है नानाची वाड़ी, अम्मी की आंखों का नूर और आसमां कहीं दूर कहता है।
विला, महल, कुंज या कासल, एशियन पेंट्स की वारंटी इंडिया का हर दूसरा घर कहता है।
So our ones partner is 4. So what did I do? Here I subtracted the number 4, which was the partner, and then I added the number 5, which was the base number. So we got the answer 5 here. As I have already shown you in my other videos when I was teaching in the class, I showed you multiple times that what is the partner, what is the base number, what are small friends, what are big friends. But still I'll drop a chart in the description so you can check and see what are the formulas and what you're gonna have to learn to do the calculations on Abacus properly with the help of small friends. So our partner for one was 4, and our base number for all the small friend numbers is 5. So if I have to do 1 plus 1, it will be 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Now in 4 I have to add 1. I've already told you before. What will we do? We'll subtract the partner, add the base number, which will be 5. Then our answer will also be 5. Our base number is also 5. What a coincidence, right? Now we'll move on to the number 2. So 2's partner is 3, and the formula for 2 will be subtract the partner, add the base number, so it will be minus 3 plus 5. So in 1, if I have to add 2, I can add it directly. 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 2. Now I don't have enough beads, so many people will say we can do this 2 beads. No, this is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. We cannot do this because this is the value of 5 here. So what will we do? We'll take the help of small friends and we'll do the equation here. So what was the formula? Minus 3 plus 5. So minus 3 plus 5. Our answer is 5. Similarly, if in 4 I have to add 2, what will I do? Minus 3 plus 5. Now here please concentrate. Every child, not every, but almost every child makes this mistake here. What do? They just subtract the whole number here and add 5. But 4 plus 2 is not 5 and it is 6. And the formula that I've also told you, you have not put here correctly. What you actually have to do here is, you have to minus the partner. So 4 is not the partner of 2. What is the partner of 2? 3. So what we'll do? Minus 3 plus 5. So our answer is 6. Similarly, in 5 if I had to do, it will be 7 and so on. But we are not going that further because then it will include the big friends that you have been not taught right now. You have to learn small friends first. Concentrate on peeling one thing first and then you will peel the whole orange and eat it then. Simple. So I hope the formula of 2 is clear. Now we'll move to 3. So as 2's partner was 3, then 3's partner will be obviously 2. So similarly, the formula will be subtract the partner and add the base numbers. So minus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is what? 4. We did it directly. 2 plus 3 is what? We'll have to use the formula of small friends. So what was the formula for 3? Minus 2 plus 5. So our answer here will be 5. In 3, if I have to add 3, then our answer will be 6 because we'll use the formula of small friends. That will be minus 2 plus 5 and our answer will be 6. If we have to do 4 plus 3, then what will be our answer? It will be 7. How will it be 7? Minus 2 plus 5. Our answer is 5 to 7. Okay? This was the formula of 3. Now moving on to the formula of 4, the last formula of small friends, and a very easy formula. Okay? It starts from the number 1 itself, because if we have to add 4 and 1, we don't have enough beads here. So now what will we do? We'll first the partner of 4. So the partner of 4 is 1, correct? Because 1's partner is 4, so obviously 4's partner will be 1 only. Now, if I have to add 4 and 1, how will we do that? You have to give the formula yourself. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Correct. Our formula will be minus 1 plus 5 because we have to subtract the partner, add the base number, and our partner was 1 and the base number was 5. So minus 1 plus 5 and our answer is 5. 2 plus 4 minus 1 plus 5, 6. 3 plus 4 minus 1 plus 5, 6. 7, sorry, 7. 4 plus 4 minus 1 plus 5, 8. This is how you do all the small friends. Now, many times you will have a question ki, ma'am, how will we do 23 plus 30? How will we do that? Simple. You'll use the formula small friend only. 23 plus 30. Now 3, 0, 30, what we'll do? We'll take these as individual numbers. So 2 plus 3, how will we do? Minus 2 plus 5. Then 0 plus 3, 3. 53. Now if I have to do 14 plus 45, 45, 59. So what I mean here is the formula stays same. Matlab, the formula stays same ka matlab is that on every rod that you do, the formula will not change. There will be not any change, and you'll use the same formula when you're doing on any rod. Either it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. It is up to you which number you're doing, but yes, the formula will stay same. Now, I have not told you about this in the previous class, but I'm telling you in this class, you will have it out that why are we using this side rods. Because these are for decimals and decimals come in higher levels. So we'll learn about decimals when we have mastered this side of our abacus. Okay? So decimals will come later. First we'll focus on small friends only. And as I have taught you small friends now, so what is your homework for today? You'll sit, write the small friends in your copy, learn them properly, and then practice them on your abacus. You can drop any question in the comment section below. I will respond to every query of yours, so you don't have any problem doing abacus.
ऑयली स्कैल्प, ड्राई हेयर, अब और नहीं। नया हाइलोरॉन प्योर बाय लॉरियल पेरिस। इसमें है सैलिसिलिक एसिड और हाइलोरॉनिक एसिड जो ऑयलीनेस को डिसॉल्व करे स्कैल्प से और बालों को हाइड्रेट करे। 72 आवर फ्रेश बालों के लिए नया हाइलोरॉन प्योर बाय लॉरियल पेरिस। You're worth it.
Sir, training done.
दाग नहीं सूखे तो डन नहीं। सूखे दाग अब ट्रेनिंग डन।
और इन सूखे दागों के लिए है नया सर्फ एक्सेल मैजिक लिक्विड एसपीपी टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ जो निकाले जिद्दी सूखे दाग मशीन।
Now, What we'll do is we'll do some questions based on small trends so that it becomes clear to you what you exactly have to do. So, our first question is 4 plus 1 plus 3. So, 4 plus 1. Now, plus 1, how will you do? Minus 4 plus 5, correct? And then plus 1. So, 6. 4 plus 1 plus 1. I don't remember the question. So, if my question is wrong, I am really sorry. But I don't remember the question, so we're just changing it a bit. 4 plus 1 plus 1. So, it's just 6 right now. Although I remember it to be 4 plus 1 plus 3, we'll do that as well. 4 plus 1 plus 3. 8. Simple. Now, if I have to do 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now, how will I do 2 plus 3? Easy. 2, then plus 3 minus 2 plus 5, then 4, 9. Our answer is 9. If we want to add more further, if I say in this you have to add 9, then we'll have to use big friends and the answer will be 18, but we are not using it right now because it is very confusing if you learn both the friends right now. So we'll stay on small friends. If you have any questions, like any equation, not like questions, queries, obviously, but if you have any equations like I did right now, 2 plus 3 plus 4, drop them in the comment section. I'll answer to all of it and maybe cover that question in the next class as well. Now let's take one more question, but that will be a big question. We'll do it on the hundreds rod because I've already explained every rod in the previous class. Okay, so on the hundreds rod, 3 1 2 3 1 2 plus 2 5 4. So 3 1 2 plus 2 5 4. So 2 here, 2 5 and then 4. 566 is our answer. 566 is our answer when we did 312 plus 254. Okay, so this is how we do it. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more further, you can enroll to Abacus with Kashish classes and I will be your teacher, Kashish Garg, and I hope that you will join. So thank you all for today. Bye bye. Have a great day and please study and also enjoy because if you don't enjoy then you can focus on studying. So enjoy and study. Bye bye. Have a great day. Okay, so today we are going to start with 2-digit divided by 1-digit division. Okay? Okay. So just write it. Division. Okay. So now in 2-digit divided by 1-digit, this is very easy as there are only a few number of digits. Okay. As in every formula, in everything of multiplication and division as we do, we find out first कि कितने number में answer आएगा and how many digits our answer will come so that we know in the end if our answer is correct or not. Because suppose if our answer is supposed to be in 2 digits but our answer comes in 3 digits, so we'll know that this answer is wrong and we're supposed to get it in 2 digits only, so we can rectify our mistake here. But what if we don't know the answer in how many digits our answer should come? We'll not know. So if my answer will come in 3 digits but it was supposed to
चल लेट्स डांस. नो नो धूप से टैन हो जाएगा. चला भी जाएगा. वैसलीन हेल्दी ब्राइट. इसका SPF 30 और विटामिन C युक्त फॉर्मूला टैन घटाए पहले हफ्ते से और स्किन को दे ग्लो. इस समय टैन की छोड़ फिकर. Cure unlocked.
Go smart door locks. Go keyless.
Then I'll think that this 3-digit answer is correct, obviously, because I would not know in how many digits I have my answer. Hmm?
The voice is breaking.
Now? Okay, so now let's start with the original steps. Now, in 2 digits divided by 1 digit, how many digits are there? Here 2, here 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1.
One.
The answer should come in 1 digit. Okay?
Okay.
But there are also some cases where our answer comes in 2 digit instead of this. So what we can consider in division, it is not that important to know the number of digits, but still we can get an idea that it should come near 1. So it can be either 1 or 2, but not less than 1, okay? Or not 3
Okay.
digits, because that will be too big. Okay? Now let's do question. 69 divided by 3. Okay, now how will we do this? This is the method that is used in our normal schools also, in the normal mathematics, because see, you'll write it in this form, the fraction form. And what we usually do, we do some kind of this, like this. Okay, my answer is 23. I'll tell you how I got it. But this is how we do in our normal schools also. So this will be helpful in your higher classes when your teacher is teaching you that how to do division fast. Okay, because we always write it in the fraction form in any division that we have. Suppose we have 7,249 divided by 8. So we'll write it in the fraction form and we'll solve it also in the fraction form, because that is how we do in normal mathematics as well, because it is easier. Okay. So mainly in this method, the school method, what we do is we'll see on which table our 69 also comes and 3 also comes. So in 3's table it comes, then we'll divide it and we'll get the answer. If the denominator is not 1, then we'll divide it further till we get the denominator as 1. Okay, that is how we do it. But now I'll tell you the abacus method that we have. So now basically when we do the divisions in abacus, it is very long. Okay, so many institutes teachers teach only the mental part, and I'm only teaching the mental part, because in abacus why it is long, because you have to set the rods and all, and that is very hectic. Okay, so know the mental formula. Now how do we do it? 69 divided by 3. So our first step would be to divide the first digit of our first number to the second digit, that is 3. What are you saying, Rushika?
We were simplifying the number.
That is not what we'll do. What we will do now in abacus. In abacus, the formula is different. In your school, it is different, but it is similar. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, 6 divided by 3 is how much? 2. We'll write 2 here. Then 9 divided by 3 is how much? 3. Or कोई remainder, we don't have any remainder, because both the numbers were divisible by 3 properly, right? So our answer is 23. This was a direct division. Okay. Now we'll take one more question that would be not direct, but we'll get a remainder there, and then I'll teach you in points as well. So let's take a number.
In my copy, you have made 65 divided by 12.
We'll take a different example today so that you know different kinds how will you do it. Okay, और you'll get confused कि हम मैम ने एक क्वेश्चन करवाया, दूसरा क्वेश्चन मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है, let's do another one. 8
दोस्तों ये है Motorola Edge 60 स्टाइलस। मोटो का एक गेम चेंजर लॉन्च है जो ऑफर करता है आपको प्रीमियम स्टाइलिस वाला फोन, वो भी सिर्फ 22,000 में। इसमें आप स्केच करो, इमेज जनरेट करो, जो आपके क्रिएटिविटी को काफी एफर्टलेस बनाता है। इसमें आपको सोनी LYT कैमरा देखने को मिलता है जो एक्शन शॉट जैसे फीचर्स देता है। IP सर्टिफाइड ड्यूरेबिलिटी है, प्रीमियम वीगन लेदर डिजाइन, 120 हर्ट्ज का 1.5 के फ्लैट डिस्प्ले आता है, एंड यस वायरलेस चार्जिंग भी है। ये सब कुछ इसको बना देता है एक ऑलराउंडर स्मार्टफोन अंडर 25,000।
हेलो मोटो, क्योंकि आप कई सालों से हमें बारीक कारीगरी की रीत से सजाते आ रहे हो, इसीलिए शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया
शुक्रिया। बारीक कारीगिरी की रीत जो बनाए सोने को सेमको। सेमको, खुशियों की रीत।
89 divided by 2. 89 divided by 2. Now our answer should come in 1 or 2 digits, that we know. Okay, now what were the first to divide the first digit by the first digit? So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now second digit, 9 divided by 2 is, now 9 does not come in 2's table. We'll take a smaller number than that, that is 8. That comes in 2's table, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, now 9 minus 8 is how much? 1. So we'll put a point here and we'll add a 0 to this 1 that we have left from this subtraction. So 10 divided by 2 is how much? 5. Correct. 44.5 is our answer. What else what we can do is here that we can just leave it in the remainder form instead of bringing it in the points. So when I did 9 minus 8, I got 1. So what can I do? I'll just write 44, a little slant here, that we write it in Abacus so that we know what is the remainder, a little slant, and we'll write a small 1 here so that we know that 44 is our quotient with 1, because 89 was not fully divisible by 2, only a part of it was divisible by 2, that was 88, and then 1 we got as our remainder. Okay? Okay. Now let's take one more example. 98 divided by 2.
If we are left with the remainder, we add the decimal point, right?
Say it again.
If we have a remainder, we add a decimal point.
Yes, but not every time. 44.1 आया, ठीक है, इसके आगे 5 आया हमारा, इसके आगे ये नहीं है कि हमें एक और अगर रिमाइंडर इसके बाद भी बचा तो एक और पॉइंट आ जाएगा, नहीं, वो पॉइंट के आगे समथिंग होगा रहेगा, ठीक है। हाँ, 98 divided by 7. So now it's not fully divided by 7, but still we'll do it so that you know. Okay. So 9 divided by 7 is 1. We'll get a remainder as 2. Now we'll add it here, as you know. 28 is divided by 7. Yes, it is divisible by 7. So we'll get the answer as 4. 14 is our answer, okay? Let's take one more. 88 divided by 7. Now this is not completely divisible. This was completely divisible by, but now this is not, okay? 8 divided by 7 is 1. We get a remainder as 1. We add it here, 18. Now 18 we don't get it on 7th table. What do we get? We get 14. So that is on 2. We'll add a point here. 18 minus 14 is 4. We'll add a 0 here. 40 doesn't come, 35 comes on 5. We got 35. Okay. So now we'll just minus this from 40. How much do we get? 5. We'll add a 0 here. 50. Now 50 comes on 7th table, no. 49 comes on 7. And here we'll just minus it. We get our remainder as 1. We add a 0 to it, and then we continue the cycle. But now I'm not continuing the cycle because normally when you do any division, you only have to write 2 points. If you want to do it further, I can do it further. 10. 7 comes in 7th table, so 1 we'll write here. 3 will be the remainder. 34, and it's like the cycle will continue. Okay, but only two decimal points are needed whenever you do the two other points are not needed, so you can just erase it. So 12.57 is our answer. We could just write 12/5. Yes, we can also write it like that, 12/5. This is also correct. It is your choice. Okay? Okay. But you understood the point thing now? Decimal. Hmm? Yes. Okay. In our final term, we have decimals. Yes, that is why I'm teaching this where division becomes easy. So whenever suppose you get a question like 25 divided by 2, so you can easily do that. 1, 2.5, 12.5. You easily got your answer. So 1, 2, decimal में 1 था हमारे पास, 1 पे 0 ऐड करा, 10 बन गया, 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, 5 होता है, 5 यहाँ पे लिख दिया, 12.5 हमारा आंसर है. ठीक है? ओके. एनी अदर को किसी एग्जाम्पल में डाउट हो कि 2 डिजिट डिवाइडेड बाय 1 में? नो. ओके, वेरी नाइस. That was all. This is a very easy concept. If you learn this concept, you will know 3 digit also, you will know 4 digit also, and so on, like 5 digits, 6 digits, all of you will know. Okay? Because same formula बस digits ज़्यादा हो जाती है. ठीक है?
तुम जो तुम हो तो मैं हैरान हूँ, ये राज कैसे तुमको बताऊं. Heart doesn't hold itself. What I'm thinking, what I'm thinking, about it, up in the night.
चॉकलेट? नहीं यार, अभी रूट कैनल ट्रीटमेंट हुआ है, फिर मम्मी की डिशुम डिशुम शुरू हो जाएगी, दांत सड़ जाएंगे, डिशुम डिशुम, फिर रूट कैनल ट्रीटमेंट करवाना पड़ेगा। कैविटी से इतना डर?
पेप्सोडेंट 12 घंटे वाला ड्यूटी चेक। अब करो कैविटी की चिंता को बाय बाय।
अब भी रूट कैनल ट्रीटमेंट करवाए, फिर चॉकलेट। मम्मा, कैविटी से डिशुम डिशुम पेप्सोडेंट करता है ना?
बाय गाइस।
क्या जोरदार पार्टी थी यार।
जोर तो अब लगेगा, ये फ्लोर के दाग निकाल देगा।
जोर नहीं, बस न्यू विम अल्ट्रा प्रो फ्लोर क्लीनर। इसकी अल्ट्रा प्रो टेक्नोलॉजी निकाले जिद्दी दाग 100% और दे खुशबू जो चले लंबे समय तक। विम अल्ट्रा प्रो कंप्लीट क्लीन, ऐसा दाग लगा ही ना हो जैसा।
So good evening. Today we'll start with 2-digit multiplied by 2-digit multiplication. Okay. So in this topic you need to understand 2-digit multiplied by 1 digit really well, because the method that we're going to do is related to that topic. So if you have your base clear of 2-digit multiplied by 1 digit, this method will be very easy for you. So I'm going to share my screen. Can you see my screen, Anya? Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as the heading says, we are going to start with multiplication. 2-digit multiplied by 2-digit. So for reference, I have taken a question here that is 79 multiplied by 84. So this is a 2-digit multiplied by 2-digit. Obviously, you can see that. Now first, we have to find in how many digits or in what number our answer will come. Okay. So here, what I have written is to find the number of the digits of the answer. So, as we have done in our previous things, that 2-digit multiplied by 2-digit, we do 2 plus 9, so we get 3-digit answer. Here also the same, but we are doing 2 plus 2 because our digits are 2 plus 2 and 2. So our answer will be 4, as I have written here. Add the number of the digits, not the actual digits, only the number of the digits. You don't have to add 7, 9, 8, 4. No, you only have to add the number of the digits. So the number of the digits are 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So I've written 4 here. Our answer will come in 4 digits of 4D. That is the same thing. Now, what are the steps to solve? So we'll start. But before that, I want you to know this one thing, that whenever we do multiplication, we have to add all the steps. So now in this paper I am doing, that is why I'll say to you in the last that chalo you add all of these. But in actual real life, when you are doing it, you add as you are doing. So first step done, second step you are adding, third step you are adding, not in the last. Then how will you remember the digits? Okay, so you don't have to remember the digits, only add. Okay, multiplication is repeated addition, so obviously we'll add and we'll not subtract. Subtraction is in division, because that is repeated subtraction. Okay, so what is our first step here? Our first step is to multiply the first digit. First digits means 7. First digit or the first number 7 by the second number. So not the second digit of the second number, no, the full digit here. Okay, so what is the full digit? 84. So we will multiply 7 by 84. Now as I said in the beginning, your 2-digit multiplied by 1 digit needs to be very clear, because that is the thing we're going to do here. So 7 multiplied by 84 is 588. How? 7 8s are 56, 7 4s are 24, 28, sorry, I'm very sorry, 28. So we have added 56 and 28. 56 was in the third rod, so it is not 56 plus 28, it is actually 560 plus 28, that will be 588, as I've already explained you in the topic of 2-digit multiplied by 1 multiplication. Okay, so we have said that on the rods, as I've written 4th rod or the 1000th rod, 588. And here I have left this rod empty, because here it has to be empty only, it has to be a 0 here. So you can consider this as a 0. Okay? Or you can just leave it as that, because whenever you do it in Abacus, 0 is actually missing. So, yes. So till now, understood, Anya?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. If you have any doubt, please tell me, because then with doubts you will not be able to understand, okay? So now we have already written 588. Now we'll move on to the next step. But before moving on to the next step, I'll repeat my words. Add the numbers as you do it. Don't wait for the end to add it, because here our answer in the second step, I'm not telling you the second step first. Our answer in the second step is 756. So we will not check 756 and then our 588. No, we will set 588 and then we'll have 756. I'll tell you how. Okay. So what is our step 2? Multiply the second digit of the first number. The second digit of the first number is 9 by the second number. So the second number, not the second digit, the full whole 84. So 9 multiplied by 84 is how much? 756. Okay. So how did we get 756? From the method of 2 digit multiplied by 1 digit. That is 9 multiplied by 8 is how much? 72. And then 9 fours are is how much? 36. So 720 plus 36 is 756. I said that on the Abacus. Here I have not set it with 588 to make it clear to you, but as you do it, add. So like मैंने 588 set कर रखा है, I've already set 588 on my Abacus. Now in the second step I'm adding the number, that is 756. So our answer will come as 6636. Understood? This one. I am drawing it on the Abacus also, 6636. Just a second.
Introducing the all-new Motorola Edge 60 stylus. Flex your creativity.
Hello, Moto. This is just a rough thing, okay? Don't do it on in your exam, like you're drawing or something. You just have to write the answer. Okay? 6, 6, 3, 6. One more thing, many students make this mistake. They consider this 6 as 2. No, it is not 2. The divider is here, it is dividing this thing. So this value is 5, this is 1. So 6, okay? Yes, ma'am. So our answer is 6636. I have also written in the bracket. I add this answer in the first answer. That was the answer 588. Okay? The 5880 plus 756 is 6636 or 6636. Understood, Anya? Yes, ma'am. Any doubt? No. Okay. I'll explain one more question to you. Okay. Now I'm just stopping my video because I have to write as well. Okay. Now I'm not doing failure. I'm just doing it with this bit of it. Okay. So 93 multiplied by 47. Our answer will come in 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, what is our first step? To multiply the first digit of the first number by the second number. So 47 multiplied by 9 is how much? 423. Okay? I'm just writing 0 and 0. Now what is the second step? To multiply the second number of the second digit of the first number with the whole second number. So 47 multiplied by 3 is how much? 141, okay? Now I'll just tell you how did I get this answer. Wait a minute. This is probably the concept of a two-digit multiplier manager. So 9 4s is how much? 36. You know? And then 9 7s is how much? 63. So 360 plus 63 is 423. 0. Then 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So 120 plus 21 is how much? 141. Their answer will be 4371. Okay?
Okay then.
Yes, ma'am.
किसान को क्रिकेट बोला
तो रंग बदल ले, टमाटर फटाफट लाल बना लेते हैं। बदलूंगा अगर कोई गिरगिट की कसम खाए। देखा? इसीलिए मुझे रंग बदलना नहीं है।
इसी सच्चाई और कुदरती लाल टमाटरों से बनता है किसान टमेटो केचप। ऑयली स्कैल्प, ड्राई हेयर, अब और नहीं, नया हाइलोरॉन प्योर बाय लॉरियल पेरिस। इसमें है सैलिसिलिक एसिड और हाइलोरॉनिक एसिड जो ऑयलीनेस को डिसॉल्व करे स्कैल्प से और बालों को हाइड्रेट करे। 72 आवर्स फ्रेश बालों के लिए नया हाइलोरॉन प्योर बाय लॉरियल पेरिस। You're worth it.
Okay, so now we're going to learn about negative numbers. So in negative numbers, you usually have a negative sign before it. So if we have a negative number, it will be like minus 24. So the negative sign is there, right? That is a subtraction sign, minus का. So that means it is a negative number. If you have negative numbers, then we would also have positive numbers. So in positive numbers, there are no signs, or you can put a sign, but normally you would not find the sign before them. So if I say a number 54, that is a positive number. That means there is automatically a plus sign, an addition sign before that number. We don't usually put that because we work in positive numbers only, so we don't put that particular plus sign in front of positive numbers. But if you want to specify that, yeah, this is a positive number, I am specifying right here, then you put a plus sign, or even if you don't put a plus sign, it is a positive number. But if you put a negative sign, then things change. If you put a negative sign, then it is a negative number. You cannot change that. But if you don't put a negative sign, then it will become a positive number. Because for negative, you have to put a sign, but for positive, it's like you put a sign or you don't put a sign, it's same. But for negative numbers, you have to put a sign. So whenever you solve negative number questions and you get an answer in a negative number, please write the subtraction minus the sign in front of them. So we know that yes, this is a negative number. So if I have to give you some examples of negative numbers, it will be like -1, -10, -25, -69, -54, like this, so on and so forth. Till infinity, just put a minus sign in front of it, okay? And if you want to know about positive numbers, easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, till infinity, okay? And if you talk about 0, that is not a positive number and not a negative number as well. It is a unique number. You cannot really judge that it is a positive or a negative number. But it is a whole number. Whole numbers are different. You'll learn about this later in maybe in 6th or 7th. Okay? So we'll just stick to negative and positive numbers right now. So positive numbers you've worked with these all your life, like 5, 4, 3, 9, 4. Okay? But negative numbers for the first time, so we'll go a little slow. So now we have learned about negative numbers, right? Minus sign will come in the actual where minus sign in front of them, so they are negative numbers. Now, if you have a question, how would it sound like a negative question? So if you take a simple question, 13 minus 16. Now see, 30
is the smaller number than 16. So obviously we cannot minus 16 from 13 unless and until we use the negative method. Okay, if you understand the positive, don't solve the question because this is a negative question. Subtracting a big number from the smaller number. For example, if I have 13 toffees and my friend is asking me for 16 toffees, now I have to get those extra 3 toffees, right? I don't have those extra 3 toffees. So that means it is a negative question. But if I have 13 toffees and if my friend is asking for 12 toffees, then obviously I have that number of toffees and then I'll be left with 1 toffee with me. So that is a positive number because I can give it out without the help of anybody. Because in the previous one, my friend number 1 asked me for 16. I have to get the help of 3 toffees, right? To give him 16 toffees. So that will be a negative question. But when I don't ask for any help, like my friend number 2 asked me for 12 toffees. So I don't have to get any help to get those 12 toffees, right? I can just give them one. And so that is a positive one. Okay, so when you're asking for help, that is a negative one. When you're not asking for help, that is a positive one. Okay? We'll go slowly. So understand it in this way. So if I want to solve on a Abacus 13 minus 16, how will I do it? Chalo, that's one.
चल लेट्स डांस. नो नो धूप से टैन हो जाएगा. चला भी जाएगा. वैसलीन हेल्थ ब्राइट. इसका SPF 30 और विटामिन C युक्त फॉर्मूला टैन घटाए पहले हफ्ते से और स्किन को दे ग्लो. इस समय टैन की छोड़ फिकर.
सर ट्रेनिंग डन.
दाग नहीं सूखे तो डन नहीं. सूखे दाग अब ट्रेनिंग दाग.
और इन सूखे दागों के लिए है नया सर्फ एक्सेल मैजिक लिक्विड SPT टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ जो निकाले सिद्धि सूखे दाग मशीन.
So, थोड़ी इंसर्ट करा. ठीक है. आप इसके अंदर आया तो मैंने 16. So what I can do, I can take the help of 100, right? I can take the help of 100. अगर मैंने 100 के LP, then I will be having 113, 130. उसमें से I can easily subtract 16, right? So I took the help of 100. Now when I took the help of 100, I have to remember. अब देखो मैंने 100 से multiply किया, right? अब मुझे उसका फेवर बैक भी तो करना पड़ेगा ना. I have to remember. I took help from 100, so now I have to pay him back, right? अगर आप किसी से कुछ लेते हो, then you have to give it back. Then अगर अपने friend से, if I ask from my friend to give me a pencil, I would obviously return it back when I have done my work, right? So now what will we do? Here, we have taken the help of 100. So to remember that we have taken the help of 100 on the right side of our Abacus, that this side, on the right side of our Abacus, we have the remaining rods. तो यहाँ पे हम second rod पे 1 set करेंगे. क्यों set करेंगे? जैसे तो 100 rod, ठीक है? ये 10 से 100 से 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh ऐसे, ठीक है? One step ये सारे रिमेंबर्स होंगे. इसके बाद से हम we do all the questions. So here I am just putting one here so that I remember I have took the help of 100. Okay, and put it on the correct row. Because अगर आप यहाँ पे रख दोगे तो आपको लगेगा ना कि आपने 10 की वजह से की. तो आपने 10 की जगह में 60 की. आपने तो 100 की नहीं की. तो आपको 100 को रुपये बार करोगे. सपोज अगर मैंने एंकर से पेंसिल ली तो ऐसा तो अगर मैंने 100 से हेल्प लिया तो ऑब्वियसली वो 10 होगा. तो अगर मैंने एंजल से पेंसिल लिया तो मैं उसको रुशिका को थोड़ा वापस कर दूँगी. मतलब एंजल को वापस कर दूँगी. उसकी पेंसिल और रुशिका क्या करेगी इसके पास, है ना? तो आपको यहाँ पे करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10 से शुरू होता है, 1 से नहीं होता. 10 से ही शुरू होता है क्योंकि 1 की नहीं हेल्प लेते हैं. 1 इज अ रैंक, इट इज अ हेल्प करनी है, ठीक है? तो सिर्फ 10 की हेल्प लेते हैं. 100,000, 10,000, लाख, 10 लाख ऐसे, ठीक है? तो अभी हमने 100 की हेल्प ली, हमने 100 को सेट कर दिया. So now, we have taken the help of 100 and we have also here add it gradually so that we remember that we become the help of 100. So now what we will do, now we have 130. इसमें तो 16 माइनस करना है very easy. कैसे करेंगे? 1 माइनस करो, अब now यहाँ पर हेल्प लेंगे इसकी, ठीक है? मैं अभी कर लेता हूँ. यहाँ पे मैं लिखूँ 103. Now 16 माइनस करना है इसमें से, सॉरी 10 माइनस करो, अब 6 कैसे माइनस करेंगे हम? ठीक है, मैंने आपको सिखा रखा है बुक में होगा, ठीक है? तो 97 आंसर रखेंगे. ओके, अंडरस्टूड?
यस मैम.
ओके, सो नाउ आफ्टर डूइंग दिस, अब मेरा 97 आ गया है ना, राइट? अब आफ्टर डूइंग दिस मुझे 100 को वापस पे करना था, मुझे पे करना था ना, है ना? मैंने 100 से हेल्प की, अब मैं 100 को वापस भी तो करूँगी, मैंने हेल्प की. पर यहाँ पे आई डोंट हैव एनी 100, तो मैं उसे वापस कर ही नहीं सकती, मेरे पास है ही नहीं. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? उसके लिए मेरा आंसर 97 की जगह क्या बन जाएगा? एनी गेसेस? इट विल नॉट बी 97. गेस व्हाट इट विल बी?
मैम -3.
रिपीट.
-3.
अब मैं यहाँ पे हम 100 को वापस नहीं कर सकते, तो कोई तो तरीका होगा ना 100 को वापस करने का. क्या करेंगे हम?
Bruco made irresistible. Hand-picked beans roasted to perfection. Freeze-dried to preserve the intense coffee taste. Indulge in the rich flavor and aroma, because it's not just a coffee, it's a spoonful of luxury.
ताकत, training, तरकीब, runs, wickets. Jeep, we handle the heat. Rexona handles the sweat. Rexona, stay shower fresh all day.
हम उसको ऐसे पेड़ा करेंगे. अब देखो, 97 है. अब देखो मुझे 100 का वापस करना है ना, तो मैं अपना बेस नंबर 100 ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है? मैं ठीक है, बेस नंबर 100. अब मैं ऐसा 97 में क्या ऐड करूँ ताकि आगे 100? 3 राइट? सो आवर आंसर विल बी -2. If I've not understood, I'll explain it once again. हमने क्या करना है यहाँ पे? तो अगर 13 था, इसके अंदर I had to -16. मैंने क्या करा? मैंने 100 के मदद ली, ठीक है? मैंने 100 की मदद ली, अब मैंने 16 माइनस कर दिया, तो मेरे पास कितना आ गया? 97. अब मुझे मैंने 100 की हेल्प की, तो मुझे 100 का फिगर बैक को रिटर्न करना पड़ेगा ना. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? मेरे पास 97 है, अब मैं 97 में क्या ऐड करूँगी? 100 बन जाए. इसका आप ऐसे भी देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे 2 बच्चे हैं ना, यहाँ पे भी आप 2 रीच लेफ्ट, ऐड 1 and 2, 3, so -3. ओके, दिस इज अ सिंपल वे. लेट्स डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था आपके लिए. लेट्स डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. सिंपल क्वेश्चन. 2 - 5. चलो, बहुत इजी. 2 - 5. अब 2 में से -5 नहीं कर सकते. 10 की हम हेल्प लेते हैं यहाँ पे 10 चेक करने का. दिया रिमेंबर मुझे वापस करना है. अब मैं इसमें से 5 माइनस कर दिया, 7 आ गया. अब मैंने 10 की हेल्प ली थी ना, तो मुझे 10 को अभी तो करना पड़ेगा. मेरे तो है नहीं. मैं क्या करूँगी? मैं देखूँगी कितने बीच बच रहे हैं. यहाँ पे मेरे 2 बीच बचे. अब मैं 2 को ऐड कर दूँगी 1 से, एंड मेरा आंसर विल बी -3. ठीक है? इन मोर सिंपल वर्ड्स, अगर मेरा आंसर आता है ऐसे 7 आया, तो जितने भी बीच थे जो लेफ्ट आउट होंगे यहाँ पे, the bees that will be left out here will be our answer after adding 1 to it. तो पहले मेरा ये आंसर नहीं है, 2 आंसर नहीं, मेरा आंसर 3 है. क्यों है? क्योंकि मैं 2 में ऐड 1 कर दिया. अगर सपोज मेरा आंसर 14 होता, सपोज मेरा आंसर होता 14 और मैंने 100 की हेल्प दी होती, अब मैं 100 को वापस नहीं कर सकती. तो बस कितने बीस बचे हैं बताओ? 85 राइट? 5, 3 and 5. So 85. मेरा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 86 minus 86. Why? Because I always have to add a 1 whenever I write the answer in negative. So 85 है यहाँ पे. What will I do? I'll add 1, that will be 86, and then minus 86 will be our answer. ठीक है? समझ में आया? इसका आप इसमें पहले का है ना बस भी ले सकते हो कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे देखूँ तो मुझे इसमें क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा कि मेरे साथ तो प्रोटीन आ जाए. बताओ मुझे क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा? 86, राइट. तो 86 मुझे ऐड करना पड़ेगा. तो ऑब्वियसली हमारा 86 आंसर है ना. 2 वेज है. ये देख लो कि आपको क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा कि जो आपने बोरो लिया था वो वापस हो जाए, या फिर ये देख लो जितने बीच बचा उसमें से ऐड 1 कर दो तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. तो अभी 85 बचे है ना. 85 में से 1 प्लस कर देंगे और 86 आंसर बन जाएगा. और 86 आंसर नहीं, माइनस 86 आंसर है. बिकॉज हमने वापस तो नहीं करा ना. टेक्निकली हमने वापस नहीं करा. हमने उसे बस बोल देते हम वापस कर देंगे. हमने वापस नहीं करा उनका. तो क्या होगा? नेगेटिव में आंसर आएगा क्योंकि हमने पॉजिटिव रिप्लाई तो दिया ही होगा उसको. हमसे मदद नहीं और हमने वापस कराएंगे. मतलब हमने बोल दिया कि हम कर देंगे. ये उसको समझ है ना, राइट. और सपोज अगर हमारे पास ऐसा क्वेश्चन होता है जैसे 14 का बात, आप 14 मुझे और चीज़ें ऐड कर दिया है. तो मैंने 85 ऐड कर दिया. मैंने
New Lakme Blush and Glow Face Wash with Vitamin C Serum. Skin लगे glow washed. आपको क्या लगता है? I wake up glowing like this? मेरी स्किन उठती है with Vitamin C Serum and Fruit Extracts. New Lakme Blush and Glow Face Wash. Skin लगे not just washed but glow washed with Vitamin C Serum and Lakme Blush and Glow Face Wash.
आज रात तो कभी बड़ी मचाना है.
Of course. पर पहले Sting Gold Night View. रात के 3 बजे, सुबह के 4 बजे. Sting Gold Night View. Energy का king Sting.
42 ऐड कर दिया. और मैंने 59 ऐड कर दिया सपोज. तो बस 200 आ गया. अब मेरे पास 200 आ गया. स्कैन है रिटर्न द फेवर बताओ. यहाँ पे 2 भी है ना 100 के. और दूसरा सेकंड रिटर्न द फेवर. आई रिटर्न द फेवर. मेरा आंसर आ गया 100. अब मेरा 100 पॉजिटिव आया प्लस 100 या 2005 आ गया. ठीक है. माइनस नहीं आया. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने जो बोरो लिया था 100 से मैंने वापस कर दिया. आई गिव अ पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स टू 100 दैट आई टुक वन थिंग फ्रॉम यू and then I return that one thing to you because you helped me. Now I have to pay you back, right? So if I took a pencil from my friend, I obviously have to return it back. Okay? Understood? थोड़ा समझ में आया. मुझे पता है it is very difficult because अभी इतना ज़्यादा एक बच्चे नहीं बताओगे. It is a big numbers, but थोड़ा सा समझ में आया. Answer 3. Yes, ma'am. 3 on the table बोला था. 3. Yes, ma'am. Okay. ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है कि अगर थोड़ा सा समझ में नहीं आया, कोई डाउट है पूछ लो क्योंकि थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है. नो डाउट. पहले क्वेश्चन करते हैं. 18 42 minus 76. माइनस 76 कैसे करेंगे? 60 है. 76 नहीं कर सकते माइनस. बहुत बड़ा नंबर हो जाएगा. हम क्या करेंगे? 100 की मदद नहीं. यहाँ पे हमने 100 ऐड कर दिया. यहाँ पे भी बहुत बड़ा नंबर है. आपको 150 में से मुझे 76 माइनस करना है. तो मैं कैसे करूँगी? माइनस 70 and then 6. 84 आ गया. Now in 84 I have to add 16, 49, and then 54. So 54. 203. Now 203 पहले return the table. Tell me answer. पहले return the table.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be our answer then?
Mom, favorite one. One finish it.
Sorry? No. क्या है यहाँ पे 103? मैं फिर से बता रही हूँ 203 था। मैंने पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिया। अब मैंने मैथ्स को ध्यान दिया कि मेरे पास ये तो बचा हुआ था ना, मैंने इसका फिगर रिटर्न करा ही नहीं। तो फिर रिटर्न करना है ना मुझे, तो मैं अब क्या करूँगी? फॉर रिटर्निंग द फिगर आइटम टू व्हाट आई विल माइनस वन हियर। फिगर रिटर्न हो गया। कितना आंसर है? बताओ आंसर।
Mom, 103.
कितना आंसर हो गया?
Mom, 103.
ओके नाउ अच्छा चलो, अगर मेरे पास आया होता 93 और मैं अपना फेवर रिटर्न नहीं कर सकती, तो मैं क्या करती बताओ? तो पहले क्या देखती? What will be the first step? Just tell me the first step. What will I see here first?
Mom, you will see how many beats are there. I'll be there.
Tell me how many beads are there.
Mom, one.
One? No. Six. I think to the probably 6. Now what will I do? I will add what from 6.
Mom, one.
Okay, how much it will be?
8. Minus 8.
Minus 7. 6 plus 1?
So,
Minus 7. देखो ऐसे कंफ्यूज होते हैं, थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव में थोड़ा ध्यान देना है क्योंकि यू कैन कंफ्यूज लाइक दिस. So this is all for today. Just try to remember that you have to return to the error. Try to remember कि फ्रेंड से जो पेंसिल नहीं है उसे वापस करनी है. अगर नहीं करी है बोलना है कि मैं वापस कर दूँगी, तो फिर क्या करना है? नेगेटिव साइन लगाना है. नेगेटिव साइन नहीं लगाओगे तो गलत बात है. आपने रिटर्न नहीं करा है, नेगेटिव साइन लगाना पड़ेगा, है ना? आपने रिटर्न कर लिया, नो नेगेटिव साइन, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल फॉर दिस. ओके. चॉकलेट? नहीं यार, अभी रूट कैनल ट्रीटमेंट हुआ है, फिर मम्मी की डिशम डिशम शुरू हो जाएगी. दांत सड़ जाएंगे. डिशम डिशम. फिर रूट कैनल ट्रीटमेंट करवाना पड़ेगा. कैविटी से इतना डर?
पेप्सोडेंट 12 घंटे वाले ब्यूटी चेक. अब करो कैविटी की चिंता को बाय बाय.
अब भी रूट कैनल ट्रीटमेंट करवाए, फिर चॉकलेट.
मम्मा, कैविटी से डिशम डिशम पेप्सोडेंट करता है ना?
कड़ी पकौड़ा की बदबू, इसे 2 बार धोना पड़ेगा. एक बार मैं धोता हूँ, एक बार तुम.
डन. नए विम लिक्विड की ट्रॉपिकल नींबुओं की फ्रेश शक्ति लहसुन प्याज की कड़ी बदबू को निकाले सिर्फ एक वॉश में.
तुम्हारी बारी.
और बदबू गायब.
You cheater.
Okay. So today we are going to learn about negative numbers. First, let's understand what are negative numbers. Negative numbers are basically numbers that have a negative sign in front of them, like minus 14, minus 18, minus 47, minus 24, like that. So what is basically negative sign? Minus sign. You know, when you subtract any number, you see a minus sign there. That minus sign is the negative sign because you negate something, like you take out something from that. Okay. Now, if you have negative numbers, then you would also have positive numbers. What are positive numbers? That have a positive sign in front of them, that is addition. What is the addition sign? The plus you make, right? Now, in some numbers, like not in some numbers, but everywhere, you will see that when you see numbers, they don't have any sign in front of them. Like simple 24, 35, 46, 69, 82, right? Like these. Now you will ask, what are these numbers? These are also positive numbers. Whenever you are writing a positive number, it is not important for us, it is not compulsory for us to write the positive sign in front of them. We can just write the number without any sign. That indicates that it is a positive number. But if you want to write a negative number, then we have to write the minus sign. We cannot remove the minus sign and just say that 24 is a negative number. No, minus 24 is a negative number. 24 is a positive number and plus 24 is a positive number. Okay? Yes, Sunita asked.
And the negative number can be any number.
Any number, yes.
Ma'am, like 1, 2.
Yes, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Means 0. 0 can't be negative or positive. That is a unique one. But 1 till infinity, they can be negative. Okay? They're actually separate on an inward line, but for you to understand as you're small right now, we have negative numbers. Any number can be negative number. Just you have to put a minus sign in front of them. They will be negative. Okay? So when we talk about, okay, let's give a simple example. We have lots of simplest everywhere. 7 minus 6. Now 7 here is a positive number because there is no sign in front of it, right? But if you talk about 6, is it a positive number or negative number? Negative number because it has a minus sign in front of it. So plus 7 or just 7 is a positive number. Minus 6, negative 6 is a negative number. Okay. Now, when we go questions, how are questions related to negative numbers? So if I give you one example, 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10. So like I have to subtract 10 from 8. If we have taken a life example, if I have 8 toffees and you're asking me for like 10 toffees, then I would have to take help from someone to get those 2 extra toffees, right? Because I don't have the full 10 toffees. I have only 8. I only have a part of that. What?
Not like borrow subtraction, we have to borrow.
Yes. That's what I was explaining. Wait. So I will have to take it from someone else, right? So that will be not a positive but a negative equation. Understand? Because I am taking it from someone else. मैं खुद से नहीं ले रही. I'm not giving it myself. I'm giving help of someone else also. I give you 10 toffees, right? So if it if we just think that on the equations, 8 minus 10. Now how will we do that? This is 8 minus 10 is a very simple question. I already know the answer, but I will not tell you. I just tell you how to do it and practice first. Okay? So focus on your practice right now.
ऑयली स्कैल्प, ड्राई हेयर, अब और नहीं, नया हाइलुरॉन प्योर बाय लॉरियल पेरिस। इसमें है सैलिसिलिक एसिड और हाइलुरॉनिक एसिड जो ऑयलीनेस को डिसॉल्व करे स्कैल्प से और बालों को हाइड्रेट करे। 72 आवर्स फ्रेश बालों के लिए नया हाइलुरॉन प्योर बाय लॉरियल पेरिस। You're worth it.
दावत जब दिल में थोड़ी बेकरारी और ढेर सारा प्यार हो, कुछ खास करने का अरमान हो, जब मेहमान नवाजी में कोई कसर बाकी ना हो, तब जान लो घर में आज दावत है. दावत. Bring out your finest.
Now, see, what was my question? 8 minus 10. So here's my answer. I will set 8 here. Okay. Now can I minus 10 from it? No, I cannot minus 10 from it. What will I do? I will take the help of my neighbor. Okay, I will take the help of my neighbor. Now on the right side of the brackets, this last rod. Right side, not left side. Left side is the lakh crore one. No, not that one. Right side. Right side, this rod is called as 10th rod. Not tens, 10th rod. 100, 1000, 10,000, and then so on from there till your only. Then you start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and moving. Okay. Now this rod is called, yes, Samira, yes, very good, this one. So you have practice first, then you do it, okay? This is called as the 10th rod, not the tens, 10th rod, 10th. It is my neighbor, right? So it cannot be same as this rod. So it is tens, 10, hundreds, 100, okay? Now you will say, where is the one slot? We only have one slot here, this one. We don't have any other one slot here. Okay? We directly start from 10, 100,000, 10,000, like that. Okay? Now see, here in 8, if I add 1 that time also, I will not able to add subtract 10 from it. What will I do? I will add 10. Yes. Samata, please set your camera, don't show me your abacus now. Wait a minute. First see on my abacus, then do it, okay? You are doing good, but if you don't see on my abacus right now, you will not understand. Now, yes, what did I do? I added 10. How did I add 10? I took the help of my table here. So I added 10 of मुझे याद रखना पड़ेगा. I have to remember that I borrowed something from this one. So I'll add 10 here. That I took help from this person. To subtract 10 from my 8, that is why I'm adding a 1 there to remember that I have taken that favor from him. Now I have to return the favor as well. You know? So now 47 minus 88, 69. Okay? 47 minus 88 plus 69. Let's do this now. ठीक है, 47. Okay. Now we have to subtract 88. How will we do that? See, now here I don't have enough bits to subtract 88. ये समझ में आया? ठीक है? अब मैं क्या करूँगी? What will I do? I have to take the help of something. मैं hundreds में help लूँगी, है ना? Right? I will take the help in hundreds because मैं अगर यहाँ पे कितनी भी help ले लूँ, मुझे बहुत सारी help लेनी पड़ेगी. इससे अच्छा ये है ना कि मैं 100 की help ले लूँ. Why take a lot of help here from many persons when I can take help from just one person, right? Yes, ma'am. Why the hassle? I'll add here 100. Now I have to remember that I took the help from this 100. So to remember that, I will mark it here. This was 10th 100th. So from 100th, I'll add 1. Okay? Understood till here? Yes, ma'am. Now, 147 minus 88. Easy? 147 minus 88. It was very easy. 80 and then 8. 59. Okay? Now in this I had to add 69. How will I add 69? $69. 128. Now see. My question finished. Now I have to see that I took the help from hundreds, right? We took the help of hundreds. Now what will we do? We will return the favor. I have 100 here, minus it from here, minus it from here, favor term. My answer is 29. समझ में आया? I'll explain to you once again. Our answer was 128. Now I took the help from my neighbor, so I'll have to return that favor as well. Now, when you borrow clothes from your neighbor, you return those clothes, right? So I have to return the favor as well. What will I do? I will return the favor by subtracting 100 here and favor return. No favor here. We have marked up here to see if you have any favor. We don't have any favor here, and we have our answer, that is 28. And this is yes. 47 minus 88 plus 69 is equals to positive 28 or just 28. Okay. Now let's do a negative one. Okay, in which the answer will come as negative. The negative method. This was a positive method. Now we'll do the negative method. Okay. So let's take a previous question. 8 minus 9. What will I do? 8. Now minus 9, how will I do that? Like we took help from 100, now we'll take the help of 10. Because there's no need to take the help of 100, right? So 10 here, please, we took the help of 10. We marked up here that we took the help of 10. Now 18 minus 9. Easy? 18 minus 9? 9. Okay? Now see, मेरा question खत्म हो गया, my question is finished. Now I have to see where I have to return the favor to it. So, do I have any bead here right now on tens to return the favor? No, I don't have it. See, इधर यहाँ पे marked है here. कोई bead added है नहीं है ना? I am saying here. Check here first. First you see my Abacus, then you do it on your Abacus. I'm telling you this number is starting. I don't have any bead here to return the favor. मुझे करना है return. I have to return the favor here. I know. But do I have something? Do I have that quantity? No. What will I do? What will I do? I will make myself in the negative position so that I remember that I have to return the favor. How will I do that? Now here I am in a negative position. I will return the favor. I am bad. Okay. Now here, how will I find out the answer? Here it is a little bit difficult, so you have to focus here. I'll explain to you once again from the beginning that we took the help of 10 here and then we subtracted 9. Now I have to take the answer out because I don't have any way to return the favor, but I have to now because here I have marked that I have to return the favor. So now what will I do? See, 9 is marked here, right? 9 is marked here. So now what do I need to add more to make it a full 10? Two methods. I need 1, right, to make it a 10, right? Or you can say that, okay, here, how many beads are left? 0. 0 beads are left. 0 is our answer when we plus 1 in that. Any answer that comes out here, we are 1 in that. So our answer came out to be 0. How it came out to be 0? Because no bead here left. So 0 is the answer. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. And I was in a negative position. So our answer will be minus 1. Understood? Let's do one more question. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. I'll add 10 here, make it up here, minus 4 kara. Now I don't have the quantity to return this favor. What will I do? I will see how many number of beads are left. I have 0 number of beads left. 0 plus 1 is 1. I was in a negative position. Minus 1 is the answer. Understood? Let's do a big question. 44 minus 52. 44 minus 52. I'll add 100 here. Okay? 52, 52. 144 minus 52 is 92. Now I'm not in a position to return the favor because I don't have any video, right? But I have to. What will I do? See how many beads are left here. 0 and 7. Right? So 0, 7 plus 1 is 0 or 8. So our answer will be minus 8. समझ में आया? Okay? Next. Solving questions with fractions and big friends. Previously what we did was going through the concept of small friends and big friends, which means going through the formulas and seeing how we actually apply them when we do it on a practice. Now we are going to do questions with it, which makes it easier to understand how to do questions with a fast speed or how to give accurate answers, because learning just a concept is not enough. Okay, so I hope you all have revised the previous concepts clearly. If there is any doubt, ask me right now. Okay, I'll explain it to you. So now first we'll start with the small thing and big thing, like monomer combined. We'll do the combined one. Okay. So if we take a question, 8 plus 2 minus 7. Just a very simple question. 8 plus 2 minus 7. Now this is a question of big friends, no small friends involved. So how will we do that? First digit is 8. So we'll add 8. Then we have to add 2. Now how will we add 2? We learned in big friends that what is the formula of 2? Minus 8 plus 10. So minus 8 plus 10. Then minus 7. Now how will we do minus 7? We learned in big friends subtraction. That's its formula is minus 10 plus 3. So minus 10 plus 3. Our answer is 3. 8 plus 2 minus 7. So if I have to do it fast, I'm gonna do it fast right now because this is important for me for it. Okay? Like this. Now if we do a question of small friends, 5 minus 2 plus 80. Okay? 5 minus 2 plus 80. So 5 minus 2. Now what is the formula for minus 2? Add 3, subtract 5. So minus 5 plus 3. And then 18. Now how will we add 18? 10 here, 13 हो गया. Now in this we have to add 8. Minus 2 plus 10. Our answer is 21. You can check the answer for yourself. Okay? 5 minus 2, then 18. So the answer will be 21. 21. Now we are going on to the next question. Let's take the question as 59 minus 42. Okay, a little bit complicated but easy to understand. Okay, so 59 minus 42. So how is it 59? 59 minus 42. Now here I have to minus 40. I have to subtract 40. How will I subtract 40? I will use the method of small friend. So how do we do that? Minus 5 plus 40 minus a plus from 30 minus हो गया. 2 minus करना है. 2 will be direct here. And answer will be 17. So 59 minus 42 is 17. Understood? Now next question. This will be also one is only 1 plus 7 plus 9. Okay? So 1 plus 7 plus 9. Now minus now 1 plus 10 and then something. So 1 plus 7 plus 9, 17. Okay? Now 59 minus 23. Okay, 59 minus 23. Now 20 यहाँ पे कैसे minus होगा? Small friends है plus 3 minus 5, 20 हो गया. And then minus 3 that will be direct. So the answer will be 36. अगर similarly 36 में मुझे 23 ऐड करना है, तो कैसे करते हैं? यहाँ पे मुझे 2 ऐड करना है. I have to 2 here, so I will do minus 3 plus 5 and then add 3. So 59 on the answer. So both ways. Okay. Now let's do one more question. That would be 29 minus 40. Sorry, not 40. 29 minus 11. 29 minus 11. This is a direct one. Manually when we subtract करना है and then we get the answer as 82. Okay. So now this was very simple. Nothing much to understand in this. Just learn how to apply the formulas and we will master in solving questions. Okay. Now let's do a long question as I said. So 5 plus 6. So how will I plus 6? Plus 6 minus 9, 42, 99. Now in 44 मुझे 99 ऐड करना है. How will I do that? Just consider I have to add 9 in 40 here, 9. Okay, so minus 10, minus 1 plus 10, minus 1 plus 10. 143. 44 is 99 is 143. How did I do that? I'm explaining it again. Here I'm not considering that is just a 10, I'm just considering it is just a 4. So in 4, how will I add 9? Minus 1 plus 10. And then here in this 4, how will I add 9 minus 1 plus 10. So 1, 4, 3 is our answer. I will do this question with a different method, like when we do it with hundreds, but we have nothing in between. So if I want to subtract 9 from 104, how will I do that? So 104, now how will I subtract 9? So here I have nothing here, so I cannot obviously minus 10 here. What will I do? I will take the help of its neighbor. So I will minus 100. मैंने 100 minus कर दिया. यहाँ पे 9 ऐड करा मैंने, and then यहाँ पे मैंने 1 ऐड कर दिया. So 95. Okay, let me do it once again. Why I took the neighbor? Because यहाँ पे तो मुझे 1 minus कर दिया, right? Because the formula for this is for subtracting 9, the formula is minus 10 plus 1. So यहाँ पे minus 10 पहले minus 10 यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकता. मैं इसकी हेल्प लूँगी. minus 10 करा and then minus, sorry, add 1, then it will be 95. Any doubt? Understood, Sri? Understood, Samrita? Very good. So this is all. It is very easy to add and subtract when you understand how to apply the formulas in here. If you have any doubts in this, how to apply, you can check out our video that was previously uploaded on our channel, and there you will find a lot of information how to apply the formulas, because if you know how to apply the formulas, right, then you will know how to apply them in a question as well, because sometimes we understand the concept but we don't understand it when we do it in a fast speed or when we do it at an accurate time. At that time it is very fast. Okay, so that time the formulas will come to our mind. So that is why you have to keep practicing. If you keep practicing, you will automatically give you the solutions without you knowing that you have already gotten the solution. Okay? So yeah, that's it for this. Mental loadings, 1 and 2 digit mix, 5 rows, 10 rows, 15 rows, 20 rows, any number. Okay? So please write the heading in 5 columns. Okay? Most probably we'll do only 5 rows only. Okay? Fast, rapid speed. Okay? Chalo, let's start. First column. First question start. 8, 49, 3, 28. That is 3, 2, 1. Second question start. 2, 86, 7, 29, 7. That is 3, 2, 1. Third question start. 9, 36, 6, 49, 4. That is 3, 2, 1. Fourth question start. 3, 14 to 75, 3. That is 3, 2, 1. Fifth question start. 22, 6, 9, 83, 5. That is 3, 2, 1. Sixth question start. 8, 59, 7, 9, 98. That is 3, 2, 1. Seventh question start. 8, 81, 7, 14, 4. That is 3, 2, 1. Eighth question start. 52, 3, 6, 82, 9. That is 3, 2, 1. Ninth question start. 33 minus 5, 6 minus 15, 2. That is 3, 2, 1. Tenth question start. 57 minus 3, 4 minus 23, 7. So I have completed the first column. Now Anya speak the answers.
Sam is 130, 131, 104, 97, 125, 181 missed, 152, 21 missed.
Okay. So I will tell the answers. Check first column. 88, 131, 104, 97, 125, 181, 140, 152, 21, 42. Okay? Now second column start. First question. 6, 79, 3 minus 37, 4. That is 3, 2, 1. Second question start. 88 minus 4, 9 minus 16, 9. That is 3, 2, 1. Third question start. 3, 93, 7, 69, 9. That is 3, 2, 1. Fourth question start. 7, 34, 2, 58, 4. That is 3, 2, 1. Fifth question start. 7, 13, 3, 25, 7. That is 3, 2, 1. Sixth question start. 4, 68, 3, 18, 5. That is 3, 2, 1. Seventh question start. 19, 5, 9, 34. That is 3, 2, 1. Eighth question start. 2, 63, 5, 7, 47. That is 3, 2, 1. Ninth question start. 5, 96, 9, 94, 6. That is 3, 2, 1. Tenth question start. 96, 9, 4, 74. That is. So second column complete. So now let's check the answers. So answer, speak.
55, 86, 181, 105, 55, 98, 134, 126, 108, 183.
Few are wrong, okay? I'm repeating the answers. 55, 86, 181, 105, 55, 98, 67, 124, 210, 183. Okay? A third column, start. 45 minus 1, 9 minus 25, 3. That is 3, 2, 1. Second question, start. 83 minus 5, 5 minus 16, 4. That is 3, 2, 1. Third question, start. 9, 73, 6 minus 37, 5. That is 3, 2, 1. Fourth question, start. 30 minus 4, 8 minus 28, 4. That is 3, 2, 1. Fifth question, start. 9, 93, 7, 45, 4. That is 3, 2, 1. Sixth question, start. 6, 48, 8, 43, 9. That is 3, 2, 1. Seventh question, start. 8, 31, 6, 39, 6. That is 3, 2, 1. Eighth question, start. 8, 35, 9, 33, 8. That is 3, 2, 1. Ninth question, start. 72, 3, 8, 12, 6. That is 3, 2, 1. 10th question, start. 7, 63, 2, 3, 87. That is. Okay, so we have completed third column. Rushika, jaldi se speak the answer, okay? First.
31, 71, 58, 2, 158, 104, 90, 93, 101, 163.
Last question.
163.
Okay. Now I'm repeating the answer. Please check. 31, 71, 56, 10, 158, 114, 90, 93, 101, 162. Okay? Hello everyone, welcome to Abacus With Kashish. I am Kashish Bird and today I will be teaching you how to do counting on abacus. So before we start to learn how to do counting in abacus, we first need to learn the values of all the beats present here. So it is really easy if you pay attention. So as you can see, we have two legs of beats. One is the upper beats which are on the upper side of the abacus, and one is the lower beats which are on the lower side of the abacus. So they have very distinct values. Lower beat. One lower beat has a value of 1. So if I want to make 1, what will I do? I will plus 1 here. So the value of my abacus will be 1. But if I want to do something upper than 4, means greater than 4, 5, 6, 7, I will have to take the help of the upper beats present over here. So the value of one upper beat is 5. So if I want to add 5 here, I will add it like this, 5. Let's start it from the beginning. As I've told you that one lowercase signifies the value of 1 and 1 as it signifies the value of 5. So now we'll learn how to do counting from 1 to any anonymous number. So first we need to find one sword. How will we find one sword? Very easy. You can see there are 5 dots here, they each represent a different word. So if you count 2 beats from our right side, 1, 2 beats from the left side, 1, 2. So then you'll be left with 1 beat rod. That will be the one sword, or you can also take a middle one. So on the middle one we'll be crossing or adding all the 1-digit numbers from 0 to 9. So if you want to say 0, it is very easy, just set nothing on your graphics plate right now. So the value on my graphics right now is 0. But if I want to add 1, how will I add it? Simply add 1 lower. As the value of 1 lower is 1. If I want to add 2 here, how will I add it? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so 2 bits. If I want to add 3 ones make 3, so 3 beats. If I want to add 4, I will add it. I'll take the help of 4 beats here, and these are the beats of 4. Now how will we add 5? As I've told you, 1 upper beat signifies the value of 5, so I'll be adding 1 up beat here to make 5. If I want to add 6, how will I add it? I cannot add it directly, obviously, because I don't have 6 beats here. What will I do? I will take the help of both upper beats and lower beats. So if we say we are adding 5 here, we need to add 1 more. So how will we add 1 more? By simply adding 1 lower beat. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is the value of 6. If we were to add 7, we would add 5 and 2, which is 7. If you want to add 8, we'll add 5 and 3, that is 8. If you want to add 9, we'll add 5 and 4, that will be 9. So this was the concept of only 1 digit. Now we're moving on to 2 digits, which also includes the tens row. So first we'll learn what is a tens row and how we find it. So we already know the concept of 1 star, the middle one. Now, just to the left of our 1 sword, here, this word is called as the tens row. So all the numbers like 1 and 10, 2 and 29, 3 and 34, 4 and 45, etc. etc. will be added on this word only, because this is called the tens row. So let's know more about 2 digits. So we have already done about 0 to 9. Now we'll move on to 10. So 10 is made up of what? 1 and 0. That is nothing. So how will we add it? Now 1 is on the tens place, so we'll add 1 on a tens place. So here we'll add 1. And then we have to add 0 on our 1's place, 1 slot, as 0 is on 1's place in our number 10. So here you can see nothing. You add it here, so it automatically means I added nothing here to make it 0. So the value of this will be 1, 0, 10. Similarly, if we want to add 11, 1 more. So 1, 11. 12. 1, 2, 12. 13. 1, 2, 13. 14. 1, 4, 14. 15. 1, 5, 15. 16. 1, 6, 16. 17. 1, 7, 17. 18. 19, 1, 1. 20, in 20 we have the number 2 and 0, so 2 and 0 here, so 20. Let's repeat the numbers now. 49, 4, 49. 53, 5, 75, 7, 5, 75. 99, 9, 99. 34, 3, 4, 34. And you can add on like these numbers from 0 to 99 if you know the concept of this pen, because it is really easy to do. You just have to see the numbers. Like if I am to able to do 98, so 9 and then 8, so 98, very easy. Let's move on to hundreds rod now. Hundreds rod will be just the adjacent rod on the left side of the pencil rod, so this will be our hundreds rod. So we will be adding all the numbers like 1 and 1, 2 into 71, etc. So it's adding numbers now. So if I want to add 100, how will I add it? So in 100 here, 1, 0, 0. So 1, 0, 0. So 100. Any other number like 271. So 271. 271. 549. 549. 549. 845. 845. 845. Like this will be all the numbers from 100 to 999 with the help of hundreds of ornaments. We will be able to do thousands or 10,000 or lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores, and etc. etc. We can do it just by seeing the word next to our word which we are doing right now. So if I have to find 10 job, this one, 100 job, the next one, 1,000 job, the next one, 10,000 job, the next one, lakh, next one, 10 lakh, next one, and now let's do a quick recap. We'll just see the counting from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you for attending today's session. I am signing off, Kashish Garg, and I hope you liked today's session. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment for us to know more about you and how you like our video. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. So today we are going to start with big friends plus. So there are two types of big friends, plus and minus. They both are not very similar, but there are some similarities as towards the partners are same, and then the formulas are very different. So today we are going to learn about plus, big friends plus. So in this there will be the formula of big friends, the formula of plus, not of minus, and we are going to learn how to add with the help of big friends. So in 0, if I have to add 1, how will I add it? Directly. So the answer will be 1. So we can indicate by this that we are going to first start with plus 1. Okay. Now if I have to add 1 in 1, I can add it directly. The answer will be 2. Then if in 2 I have to add 1, I can add it directly. The answer will be 3. If in 3 I have to add 1, I can add it directly, the answer will be 4. In 4 if I have to add 1, I can do it by small friends, the answer will be 5. If in 5 I have to add 1, directly 6. 6 plus 1, direct 7. 7 plus 1, 8, which was done directly. 8 plus 1, direct 9. Now, in 9 I have to add 1. I can either use direct concept because don't know which left here, and nor can I use the small friends because here 5 is already being used. So what will I do? I will take the help of big friends. So when I will take the help of big friends, I have to first take a partner. So what is a partner of 1? 9. So what will be the formula? Minus 9 plus 10. So minus 9 plus 10. So our answer will be 1, 0, 10. Similarly, if in 19 I have to add 1, what will I do? Minus 9 plus 10, because that is a formula for plus 1, our answer will be 20. If in 29 I have to add 1, minus 9 plus 10, answer will be 30. In 39 if I have to add 1, minus 9 plus 10, the answer will be 40. Similarly, all the other numbers will be followed. Now, if in 49 I have to add 1, how will I add it? Minus 9 plus 10. Now here, how will I do plus 10 by small friends? Plus 10. So our answer will be 50. If in 99 I have to add 1, how will I do it? Minus 9 plus 10. Now here we have to plus 10. So what will we use here the formula? Minus 9 plus 2, minus 9 plus 2. Okay? So now this was the concept of big friends plus 1. Now we're going to move on to plus 2. So first we'll see what is the partner of 2 in big friends, and the answer will be 8. So what will be the formula? Minus 8 plus 10. Let's start. If in 0 I have to plus 2, our answer will be 2. If in 1 if I have to add 2, answer will be 3 direct. 2 plus 2 direct 4. 3 plus 2 small friends 5. 4 plus 2 small friends 6. 5 plus 2 7 direct. 6 plus 2 8 direct. 7 plus 2 9 direct. Now 8 plus 2. I cannot do it directly because I only have 1 beat left here, and I obviously cannot do it by small friends because 5 is being used here already. So what will I use? I will use big friends. So what was our formula for big friends plus 2? Minus 8 plus 10. So minus 8 plus 10. Our answer will be 10. Now in 9 I have to add 2. How will I do that? Same formula. Minus 8 plus 10. Our answer will be 11. 1, 1, 11. Similarly, if I have to add 2 in 18, I will do minus 8 plus 10, answer will be 20. If in 39 I have to add 2, minus 8 plus 10, then answer will be 41. And then if I have to add 2 in 89, the answer will be, first we'll say formula minus 8 plus 10, and answer will be 91. And if in 48, if I have to add 2, I will do minus 8. Now, if I have to do plus 10, how will I do it? I will use small friend here to minus 5. So the answer will be 5050. In 99, I have to add 2. How will I do that? Minus 8 plus 10. So 9 में 1 plus हो रहा है. 9 in 9, 1 is being plus here, so minus 9 plus 10. Answer will be 101. So before we move on, I want to make one thing clear that in the beginning, there is no need to learn the concept of hundreds here. I'm just telling you for your knowledge so that later on you won't have any problems. But right now you don't need to learn the hundreds concept here. Stick to ones and tens. Okay. So now we've completed big friends plus 2. Now we'll move on to big friends plus 3. So what is the formula for plus 3 minus 7 plus 10, because the partner of 3 in big friends is 7. So let's start. 0 plus 3 direct, answer is 3. 1 plus 3 direct, answer is 4. 2 plus 3 small friends, answer is 5. 3 plus 3 small friends, answer is 6. 4 plus 3 7 small friends, answer is 7. Now 5 plus 3 direct, answer is 8. 6 plus 3 direct, answer is 9. 7 plus 3 we cannot do it directly because here I only have 2 mates left, and I also cannot do it with the help of small friends because 5 is already being used here. So we'll use the formula for our big friends plus 3. So what was the formula? Minus 7 plus 10. So minus 7 plus 10. Our answer is 10. Similarly, in 8, I have to add 3 minus 7 plus 10, answer is 111. And in 9, I have to add 3 minus 7 plus 10, answer is 1, 2, 12. Now, if in 28, if I have to add 3, how will I do that? Minus 7 plus 10, answer is 31. In 47, if I have to add 3, how will I do that? Minus 7 plus 10, our answer will be 50. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to convey here is, in whatever situation you do, if it is 98, if it is 45, if it is 56 or any other digit, the answer will be taken out by using one formula, that is minus 7 plus 10, if you are adding 3 by the formula of difference. So whatever situation, formula always remains the same. Now we have done plus 3 big friends. Now we'll do big friends plus 4. So what is the formula for plus 4? Minus 6 plus 10, because the partner of 4 is 6 in big friends. So if in 0 I have to add 4, directly I can do it. 1 plus 4 small friends, 2 plus 4 small friends, 3 plus 4 small friends, 4 plus 4 small friends. Now 5 plus 4 direct. 6 plus 4 I cannot do it directly because only 3 beats left here, and I cannot do it by the help of small friends because 5 is already being used here. So what will I use? I will use the help of big friends. Now what is the formula for big friends? Minus 6 plus 10. So minus 6 plus 10, our answer is 10. 7 plus 4, same formula, minus 6 plus 10, our answer is 11. 8 plus 4, same formula, minus 6 plus 10, answer is 12. 9 plus 4 minus 6 plus 10, answer is 13. Whatever situation is there, the formula remains the same and the answer comes up always correct. If any other situation I have to take in 58, if I have to add 4 minus 6 plus 10, answer is 62. If in 25 I have to add 4, I can do it directly because obviously I have means left, our answer will be 29. Similarly, in any other number, just see what formula you have to use, direct, small friends or big friends. Don't confuse there, because if you confuse there, then your answer is wrong, because wrong formula, wrong answer, correct formula, correct answer. Now let's move on to plus 5, the easiest of all. So 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 5, 7, 3 plus 5, 8, 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 5 is 10, we know that, but how will we do it on Abacus? So what is the partner of 5? 5 itself. And what is the formula? Minus 5 plus 10. So apply the formula here, minus 5 plus 10, our answer is 10. So 5 is the easiest, nothing much to understand in 5. So 6 plus 5, 11. 7 plus 5, 12. 8 plus 5, 13. 9 plus 5, 14. 10 plus 5, direct 15. Now, in any other number, if you have to do it, 55. Minus 5 plus 10, 60. Very easy. 5 is very easy. The easiest of all. Now let's move on to plus 6. So 6 partner is 4. So it is just the opposite of what we had done in the formula 4. So it was like plus 4 is equal to minus 6 plus 10. Now it is plus 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 10. Just an interchange of two numbers. That will be the same in 7 also, 8 also, and 9 also. And there won't be any formula for 10 because 10 is obviously our base number here, not the numbers that we're counting in big friends. So let's start with 6. 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 6, 9. Now 4 plus 6 cannot do it directly and obviously cannot do the small friends because 6 doesn't count in small friends, directly will go on to big friends. What was the formula? Minus 4 plus 10. So minus 4 plus 10, our answer is 10. Now 5 plus 6. So how will we do minus 4 here? Minus 4 plus 10. Small friends say we had done here. So our answer is 11. 6 plus 6 minus 4 plus 10, answer is 12. 7 plus 6, answer is 13. 8 plus 6, answer is 14. 9 plus 6, answer is 15. This will be same in any other situation like 79 plus 6 minus 4 plus 10, 85. So we have completed all the numbers from 1 to 6. Now we move on to 7. So what is our partner for 7? 3. And what is our formula? Minus 3 plus 10. So how will we do it? 0 plus 7, 7. 1 plus 7, 8. 2 plus 7, 9. 3 plus 7 cannot do it directly and cannot do it by small friends. So what will I use? Big friends. The formula was minus 3 plus 10. So answer will be 10. 4 plus 7 minus 3 plus 10. Answer is 11. 5 plus 7 minus 3. We have done minus 3 by small friends. Now plus 10. Answer is 12. 6 plus 7 minus 3 plus 10. Answer is 13. 8 plus 7. Answer is 15. 7 plus 7 is 14. 9 plus 7. Answer is 16. It will be same in any other situation like 89 plus 7 minus 3 plus 10. 96. So now we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we move on to 8. So what is the partner for 8 in big friends? 2. And what's the formula? Minus 2 plus 10, just the opposite of big friends 2. So let's start. 0 plus 8, 8. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 8 cannot do it directly and cannot do it by small friends, so we'll move on to big friends. So what is the formula? Minus 2 plus 10. So let's apply it here. Minus 2 plus 10, our answer is 10. 3 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10, 11. 4 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10, answer is 12. 5 plus 8 minus 2. Minus 2 here I am doing by small friends. Please pay attention. And then plus 10, so 13. 6 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10, 14. 7 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10, 15. 8 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10, answer is 16. 9 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10, answer is 17. So let's see another situation. 64 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10, answer is 72. That is how we do it. Let's move on to the last number, that is 9, and also a bit easy. So 0 plus 9, 9. 1 plus 9, how will I do it? by big friends because cannot do it directly because we don't have the beads here. Cannot do it by small friends because 9 doesn't come in small friends. So what will we use? Big friends, as I have said before. So how will I use it? What was the formula? Minus 1 plus 10 because the partner of 9 is 1. So minus 9 plus 10, answer is 10. 2 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, 11. 3 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, 12. 4 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, 13. 5 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, 14. Now here I had done minus 1 by small friends. So please revise your small friends before you begin with big friends. Now 6 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, 15. 7 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, 16. 8 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, 17. 9 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, 18. That is how I do it. So if I take one more situation, 84 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, 93. That is how you do it. Understood? Okay, very good. So this is how you do your big friends in Abacus. So when you are doing big friends, please remember the concepts of your small friends because if you remember the concepts of your small friends, it is very easy and very fast to do big friends because small friends are the base of everything and also the direct concepts. So that is all for today.